Hello everybody. By the time you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you have survived through the linked list, stacks, and queues, and you have probably been assigned for this project already, a graphing calculator. In this video, I'm not going to talk about the algorithms, which is the RPN, reverse polish notation, or the Chantignard. It's going to be a quick and short demonstration of what I did in my final project. I know SFML is a really basic library which cannot even draw lines with the desired thickness, but on the other hand, a library that gives you the power to draw lines, circles, and polygons shapes is really enough to build complicated UI objects, like buttons with color feedbacks, or like thick and colorful curves. So here it is, the graphing calculator. I designed 6 tabs that contain 6 different functions or equations. You can build more, but that's how I did. And you can see all the buttons have a color change feedback if you hover your mouse on it. And when you press it, it changes to a different color. And the numbers will be input to the highlighted tabs. Like here I enter X, and if I hit this, when I do like sign is not a valid function, so it turns red, and when I hit X, it becomes valid. So this input can automatically ignore the right parentheses. That's why I think it's a legal input. I can also do the right parentheses here. And hit multiplications, and turns red again, times X. So yeah, this is a basic function demonstration. And let's find out different functions. Like I also have constants like pi. Cosine pi is -1, so here it is. And if I hit C, it clears. You can also clear with the buttons. Or if all the tabs are unselected, it turns into AC. Let's try that. We have 3 functions here and all the tabs are unselected. We hit AC and everything is wiped out. As you can see here, I copied the entire color settings from Apple's calculator. You can see the exact same thing in your iPhone. Another feature I want to introduce is that the zoom in and zoom out. You can observe how the grid lines grows on its own, and wherever I put my mouse cursor, the zoom in and zoom out is calculating a ratio based on its location. See, it's never passing the origin. Also, you can add some shortcuts like on the keyboard, like when I hit N, automatically change back to the default settings. Another thing I should have done is the labeling. On my X and Y axis, I don't have any numbers to show what value it is. I used to have it, but there are glitches and I don't have time to fix them. So you can see the curves here are thick and colorful, not like the grid lines. The grid lines are drawn with the SFML's vertex lines, but this line here, the function lines, I draw them with, I create a own class called the rectangle lines. So basically it's building rectangles on every pixel and calculating how many degrees should they rotate. Also, but because of this design, the CPU is always running at a high percentage rate. So for more information, you can visit my GitHub. You can see my new libraries built based on the SFML. I hope that information will be helpful and give you some hint, but don't copy the code because he'll find out. Last but not least, have fun with your final and good luck.